When I woke up, I felt so froggy. Randomly craving tonkatsu. Let's go!
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the
I can't believe the last few weeks of travel has now come to an end. I'm ready to get back into my daily routine. I slept for a total of 12 hours, and when I woke up I felt so groggy, but at the same time, now that I'm like fully woken up, I feel so much better. And I don't think I'll have to worry about adjusting back to New York time because I think I'm already adjusted. I had such a good sleep last night. I mean, my face is really puffy now, and it's already like 2 p.m. and I'm just getting my day started. I have a lot of organizing to do because I bought a lot of stuff from Korea. I do have a couple of PR packages that I need to open up as well. Yeah, I should get started on that. What the foundation? WTF is a tinted moisture balm. Pacific Clay Mask. Fresh Herb Origin Cream. Fresh Herb Origin Serum. Is Tony Moly. Tony Moly Watermelon Jelly Lip Tint. Ooh, so cute. Oh my god, it feels like pudding. Polo Earth Ralph Lauren's new fragrance. That's so pretty. Rovectin. There's aqua activating serum, water cream, and their calming toner. From Allrate, a jewelry brand. Ow. Rockin' Oil targeting treatment, fragrance-free body lotion. I didn't even know they had body lotion. Purple shampoo and their rose gold color depositing mask. Odele Beauty sent me their moisture mask and a cute little comb. I Do Care's Bright Timing Brightening Vitamin C Mask. I love anything brightening. It's like a clear jelly, but it smells really good. And last, from the M Jewelers. Pretty little ring. Happy Monday. It's always such a struggle going back to work after a long vacation. Well, technically it wasn't a vacation because I was still working, but getting back into my normal schedule and my normal setting is just different. I think I'm still jet lagged because last night I slept at around 11 p.m. so I thought I would sleep through the night, but I ended up waking up today at 4 a.m. and I just couldn't go back to sleep, and I was randomly craving tonkatsu. I just feel very unmotivated right now. So I told you guys I was craving tonkatsu randomly, and Andrew actually prepared me some before he went to work, so I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer really quick and have lunch right before my next meeting. Oh my god. I'm so excited. It's been a couple days since I last vlogged, but I was just spending the past few days trying to recuperate and fix my jet lag after coming back from Korea, but I just filmed my what I got from Korea video. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it in the cards up here or here. I'm telling you, I always forget. Today, we're actually going on a pretty relaxing trip with no itinerary with our friends.
All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronted, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than friends, you went ahead and lied. Now I'm crashing, trying to get back on my feet, but it won't happen as long as you're still haunting me. So I'm writing all these songs to get you out my head, but the memories stay behind.
Let's go! We're gonna pick up our favorite snacks. Why isn't it opening? Oh.
Cody, there's a huge sign right in front of you that says do not enter.
Oh my god.
It's been like that. What do you want, one chef?
Snacks galore. Oh,
One
yeah,
share?
yeah, yeah, I want this.
Maybe I'll put that down and here we go. And this is...
I like this.
Oh, here you go.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 바보라는 걸
Hot fries.
참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go.
Last night we just got to the Airbnb. It's quite enormous for 4 people, but we like that. There's a lot of space for each couple. I love all the natural light pouring in. It's really quiet around this area. I don't know why, but I couldn't really sleep well last night, probably because I'm in a new environment. But first things first, we're gonna go get Starbucks and then stop by the Walmart to grab some groceries.
Yeah, they're all 8. Okay, let's not busy. Oh, yeah. You should have told her it was open.
Wow, this is so relaxing.
It's good. Compliment to this Airbnb.
Am I trendy?
I told him that this is the new trend. It's like the new V. But now he keeps... get the same thing whenever I come here, which is the beef udon with egg.